This video is for the S6 single-phase 3 through 8K low-voltage battery Pro parallel setup. If you are installing multiple inverters that need to be parallel, please connect one end of the communication cable to the PA on the first inverter and PB on the second inverter. On the dip switches, set the switch 1 to on the first and last. If you need to connect a data logger, you can install it on the master. Before moving on, please ensure the wiring is correct. Set the app and please set slave settings first on the settings page. Select parallel settings, open parallel setting, set parallel mode to parallel, and set the address ID to 2 to 6. Set the manual set to slave, and for the phase settings, set it to single phase for single phase systems or phase ABC for 3-phase systems. Set the number of inverters as the number of inverters you need to parallel. Set the parallel sync to locked. The parameters of the master will be synchronized to the slaves, and the slave settings are not required. Set the address ID to 1. Set the manual set to master this time. The phase settings is set to single phase for single phase systems or phase ABC for 3-phase systems. Set the number of inverters as the number of inverters that you need to parallel. Set the parallel sync to locked. The parameters of the master will be synchronized to the slaves, and the slave settings are not required. After that, you only need to operate the master settings.